Amidst the vibrant beauty of the park, a spirited child encounters a lively pup. The child and the playful companion revel in carefree joy, sharing moments of pure bliss. A tranquil nap under the protective branches weaves a stronger bond between the young one and her canine companion. Laughter and shared experiences deepen the blossoming friendship between the child and her loyal companion. Through every season's joys and challenges, the inseparable duo stands united, weathering each change side by side. Wrinkled smiles and knowing gazes reflect a lifetime of shared memories, encapsulating a bond that time could never erase. Aging gracefully together, the pair's enduring friendship shines brightly, a testament to the enduring power of their connection. In the tender embrace of twilight's hues, the companions find solace and peace in each other's unwavering presence. In the final moments of the day, the duo stands together, embodying the essence of enduring friendship, a harmony that transcends time and age.